Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So what we got here is a bird bath, and what happened was a branch landed on it. If you can tell right here, there's a crack that goes along the whole thing. Backside. At one time I did a quick fix to hold her up for the rest of the season last year. Just a caulking, nothing major. It's starting to leak again, which I knew it would because of all this heat we're getting here. So what I am going to do is do a little bit of epoxying. So first thing you got to do is score up the area. I'm using 150 grain. You could use your grit. You can probably get away with 220. Anything to score it up. So what we got and what we're going to use is I'm going to try this Marine Weld JB Weld. So all you really need to do is find a chunk of puck cardboard, and you just basically mix them together on this. And I found myself some piece of wood to mix it or stir it. See that little pointer in there? Pop the hole. Look at that. Look at that. Probably plenty. Maybe. Let's keep coming out. There we go. Make sure it's mixed really good. Basically mixing 50-50. That'll work. So I don't really have all the professional photography stuff here yet, but I'll get there. Sometime or another, we'll get there. So then what we're going to do is just put it alongside that crack. What I could use is my little putty knife. Doesn't have to look really pretty. I mean, you could get it on there if you want to get far and make it look good. You can put it on, and then this is good enough to sand off a little bit. I know it looks like crap right now, but we'll go through and try to smooth it out and make it a little better. Just want to get this on there. I probably didn't have to go with the marine weld, but alright. So let's see if we can get her looking a little more smoother. I think it's still good to go that way. Alright, we'll try that and see if that takes. And we should have enough on there to smooth it out a little bit too. So we'll let that dry. And I think we need to let her dry for 6 to 4 hours, cure 15 to 24, but the 6 to 4 I think we could try to smooth her out a little bit and then let it cure after that. So till I return, peace out.